Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Hi friends, so in front of me I have the new Spellbinders card making kit for the month of October, and it is called Dancing Santa. Let me just show it to you real quick. It's Dancing Santa, and of course yours is not going to say samples. This is what they send me, and in case you want to share your work, these are the hashtags that Spellbinders looks for, so they can post them on their website. And here you go. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's in store. Alrighty friends, so now that the box is open, let's go ahead and see what we have. Let me just remove this from the box. Whoa. And as you can see, it is Christmas galore. So with this card making kit, we're going to be able to make several Christmas cards, and this is just about the right time of the year to do so. Here are some card samples to give you some ideas, and here is a written tutorial on how to put the Santa image together. And in this kit, here, let me get rid of this paper. So in this kit, we're going to get the stamps, lovely, lovely stamps, and this is what they look like. And we are going to get some chipboard stickers. How fun! I love chipboard stickers. Oh, and we're also going to get some poofy stickers. Look at these. They are very, very poofy. I love it. I love it. And we're also going to get some double-sided tape along with a sample of square foam dots, mini dots, not dots, squares, square foam dots. And so we're also going to get a sample of some sequins, red sequins. Love it. And of course we have the die pieces. So let me go ahead and open this up for you and show you the dies that come with this kit. We get a words die, and of course we have the die pieces to put the Santa together. Ooh, it says I love cookies. That would be me. They have to be chocolate though. Chocolate or sugar cookies are fine. So you're going to get these die pieces to make your Christmas cards, and I will be making one definitely. And let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do a process video of how I put this Christmas card together with this die. So let me just set this to the side, and we will look at this together in a little bit, because there's always tons of those. So we have 10 cards in envelopes, and ooh, we have these poofy letter stickers. They are so, so, so nice. Look at that. I just love the colors. I love those pastels. And of course, we're going to get the paper pad, and this is what the sheets look like. So let me do a run through pretty quick of these sheets. So this is what the sheets look like. Perfect for card making. Ooh, that was a nice green. I like these colors. Ooh, I like very much. And there's some, ooh, I love this. There's some pastels as well. And I think there's a little bit of everything for everyone. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's the cutesies for those who like to do stuff with cutesy papers. See? That's what I like about the Spellbinders card making kits, is just that there's something for everyone. There's always something for everyone here with these kits. And we're also going to get some cardstock pieces. That way, not pieces, these are 8.5, what is it, the 8.5 by 11. So we have that, we have the mirror, and I know that it doesn't look fine in my camera, the mirror, you know, it's double-sided. And so let's see, we have the greens, we have the blue, we have white, we have pink. Look, we get 2 pinks this time. And we got the red and we have the black. So yeah, let me go ahead and put these things, take these things out of the way so that we can look at the die cut shapes together. And I will go ahead and speed up the video so that way we're not sitting here forever. And then I will see you once again in my next video when I show you my makes from this kit. Thank you for watching.